Hey, this is Marquez Sortias. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Kate Backdrops 5 by 6.5 foot white and gray collapsible backdrop. So let's get started. So before I get started, I wanted to make a little personal update on how my gear buying habits have changed. In the beginning, I was more about chasing, like the new camera, the new lens. But as I've done more shooting, I'm doing more shooting, I'm starting my gear buying habits have evolved. Now I'm looking more at like specific problems that I'm trying to solve and then buying gear to address those problems. But let's get back to the backdrop. So this Kate backdrop with white and gray reversible, it normally costs around $73, but luckily I bought it during Amazon Prime Day for around $60. So I'll unbox it now. I'm gonna have to boost my mic gain because I'm maybe standing farther away from the microphone. Let me check my levels. Do I still sound okay? I still sound okay from here? Do I still sound okay? All right. Let me get this. Yeah, so this is the box that it came in, and already like it's starting to come off. I'm lucky that it didn't break open while it was in transit. There we go. So Kate backdrop. Yeah, that sticker is kind of ugly. A big made in China sticker. Alright. So let's open this. Yeah, so the bag reminds me of like my collapsible reflector. Okay, this thing is even bigger. Oh, okay. Bag off to the side. Man, this thing is huge. I'm worried it's gonna like blow up in my face. Let's be careful. Oh my god. I totally just hit myself in the knee. Oh my god, that hurt. Okay, so this is the backdrop. Some loose threads. Not very nice. All right, so it feels like made of fabric. So this side is the white side. Okay, and then this side. And this side is the gray side. Let me see if I can get this up on a light stand and actually start using it right now. Oh man, this thing is so huge, it's gonna knock over everything. Stay still. Oh, I need to get this. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I've got my Manfrotto Nano Plus light stand and my Neewer reflector clamp holder. So let's see how this works. Off to the side. Oh god. Let's set this up. I'll keep the base pretty wide. I'm gonna screw this on. Oh wait, I think I have to take this off. Or actually, oh, there you go, that goes in. And There we go. I have like halfway decent idea of what I'm doing now. Okay. All right. Move this a little bit forward. Oh, no, not that one, this one. There we go. So I'm just making it angle down. Tighten. Okay, now let's see. How tall? That's actually as tall as this light stand can go. Huh. I wonder if I'm gonna have to put it horizontally or something. Oh wow, this is way taller than my light stand actually. I'm gonna have to do it sideways. Okay. Okay. Actually, I should bring in my chair first before I hang this up. Whoop. Oh god. Oh my god, that thing is huge. Alright. Okay. Does that cover up the whole background? Okay. How does that look? Oh man. Just a little bit. That's as much as that'll go. Oh wow, this. Okay, adjust my mic gain back down and adjust this light now. I think this is a little bit too bright. Is that too bright still? Oh wow. I might not need any light at all actually. That looks too bright to me still. I think no light is better. Okay, let's just stick with that. All right, so this is my new gray background. So let me talk through again, like some of the problems that I was running into and why I decided to buy a background. Yeah, so here are the problems that I've been dealing with. So when I shoot videos, that window behind me is way too bright. Even though to like my eyes, it doesn't look that bright, but when I look at my videos after I shoot them, it's way too bright and overexposed. And so I'm sorry you had to deal with that from my past few videos. And when I bought my large glow collapsible reflector, I thought maybe I could use that to block the light. But even that I felt wasn't quite big enough to cover the whole window. At least with this, if I bring it close to the camera, it pretty much blocks the whole window. So now I'm going to use this backdrop to block the light plus give myself a nice background for videos. And on related uses, I can use this background for Zoom calls or live streaming. And also I can also use this for headshots and portraits and even passport photos. And one reason I decided to go with these colors, because like they have backdrops in a variety of colors. You can even get like a green background if you want to do like green screen and like replace the background with like whatever you want. And so they also have some cool designs where one that I was thinking about getting, it had like a white brick on one side and then like white wood on the other side. But in the end though, I decided to just go for plain like gray and white just because I felt it was more simple and more versatile than getting like a more designed background. So that's going to be what I'm going to use this for. The other problem I ran into is I want to play around with lighting and off-camera flash. But the problem I ran into is it's hard for me to find like a clean, uncluttered wall in my house. And so if I wanted to do like a photo shoot, I would have to like move all the furniture and stuff out of the way, do the photo shoot and play around with lights. And then after I'm done, I would have to move all the furniture and stuff back in. And I didn't want to deal with that hassle. So I felt like it'd be easier just to get a collapsible backdrop and then just shoot against that. And then when I'm done, just break down the backdrop and put it away. You know, way easier than breaking down all than moving all the stuff in and out of the frame. Yeah, so that's just a quick unboxing video of this. Let me read out the official Amazon name. It's the Kate 5 by 6.5 foot white pop-up backdrops, gray collapsible backdrops for photography, double-sided portable background for video shooting. That thing is loaded with as many like search keywords as possible. All right, but yeah, thanks for watching. And so that's just another unboxing video. I'll see you in the next video.